Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to block notification permissions on Google Chrome for your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you find those pesky notifications distracting, this guide will help you regain control over your browsing experience. First, open your Chrome browser. This is where you'll manage all your settings and preferences. Once you have Chrome up and running, navigate to the site you want to block notifications from. It could be any website that has been sending you unwanted alerts. Next, look at the address bar where the website's URL is displayed. Right next to it, you'll see an icon that indicates site information. Click on this icon to reveal more options. This will bring up a small menu with details about the site. Now, select View Site Information from this menu. This action will open a new window showing various permissions related to the site you're visiting. Here, you'll find options for managing notifications among other settings. The next step is to click on Site Settings. This will take you to a page where you can control what permissions the site has. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Finally, next to Notifications, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and choose Block. By doing this, you've successfully stopped that specific site from sending you notifications in the future. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening Chrome, navigating to the desired site, accessing site information, going into site settings, and blocking notifications, you can enjoy a quieter browsing experience without interruptions. Remember, if you ever want to change these settings back or adjust them for other sites, just repeat these steps. Take control of your online experience today. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.